Hello and welcome to Vinops. Today I'd like to show you our new sales order system. What makes this system unique from any other is that it works on a smartphone, allowing you to take sales anywhere where your customers are. To start using our sales order system, you click on the button right here and it brings you to the sales order list screen. This allows you to suspend orders that you may be working on, whether you're working in the field selling direct distribution to restaurants or wine shops, or whether you're working inside your tasting room and you need to hold a sale to take care of someone else. So in this case, I have two pending sales orders, one from George and one from Jonathan, or I can create a new sales order, one of two ways. If the sale is going to be a really straightforward cash-only sale where the customer is not interested in joining your wine club or shipping, you can actually leave the customer name blank and hit the new button, and you'll be able to proceed through the sale to the end. If it's someone who's a club member, you can go in and start looking up their name, and as you type letters, you will get the list of anybody that has that letter in their name. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select Jane, and then click New. Now, Jane would like to buy 4 bottles of our Merlot, so I'm going to go ahead and select the Merlot. And she also wants to pick up some cheese, so I'm going to select the cheese, and she wants 2 blocks of the cheese, and I hit that. So now I've sold her some wine and some food. Now I can go look at the list of what I've sold her to make sure that it's in fact correct before going to the pay screen. I can update any one of these items by clicking on it and then updating the amount. And if I wanted to delete an item, all I have to do is put in 0. So once we've determined that in fact these are correct, then we can go to the pay screen. So now we'll hit pay. And you'll notice that the amount of total sale isn't exactly what the amount total of the line items were. There's a couple reasons for this. One, the system is automatically calculating the sales tax in the background. And if Jane is doing any discounts, it's also automatically calculating that. In this case, we're doing a face-to-face sale, so we're not going to need to deal with shipping. If we selected a shipping method, it would look at Jane's zip code and automatically calculate the shipping charges based upon the location where we'd be shipping to. We also can sell, in this case, in a number of different methods, either cash, personal check, or external credit card. This is fully configurable by the customer. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and sell it to Jane using cash. Now you'll notice that Jane's sale is $220.96, and Jane's going to give me $240. At this point, you'll notice that the system automatically calculates the change that I have to get back to Jane and displays it prior to me completing the transaction. When I click Next, the transaction will be loaded into the system and completed, just like that. So as you can see, using Vinops, making sales to your customer anywhere at any time is just that easy. Thank you.